Most of the time, people may come to your website with the intent of purchasing just one item. As a business owner, though, your ultimate goal is to get people to buy multiple items so you can increase your average order value and make more sales. One way to get people to buy multiple items is by offering different cross-sells with a discount. Cross-selling is when someone comes to your website with the intent to purchase an item, but before they check out, you offer them another item at a discount that goes along with what they're already buying. In today's video, I'm going to show you how companies like this one increase their sales and make more money by offering different cross-sells. For example, if I click on the cart icon, you will notice that I have added the lip liner stay-in pink right here. And if I scroll down, this company has offered me a couple of different cross-sells, and here is the discount. So let's learn how to do this now. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use a Shopify website that offers custom-made bleached t-shirts and bleached sweatshirts. Now let's say every time someone adds this Mama Bear sweatshirt to their cart, I want to provide a special cross-sell offer for my customers to receive a special discount on any of these t-shirts. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to go to your Shopify admin, and then you are going to download the app UpEZ from the Shopify store. Once you add the UpEZ app from your Shopify store, the first thing we need to do is set up the special discount. So we're going to go to Offers and Discounts. Then we're going to click Create New Offer. For this tutorial, we are going to select Buy X, Get Y and click Create This Offer. We're going to give it a name, so let's just call it Buy One Sweatshirt, Get 20% off a t-shirt. Then we are going to select the product that we want to apply this offer to. We're going to select Mama Bear sweatshirt, and then we are going to do the percentage. Customer gets 20% off any of these t-shirts. Now, if you wanted to change the limit number of products can be applied by the discount, you can do this right here. But for this tutorial, I don't want to, set up any limits. I just want to let the customers get 20% off any of the t-shirts when they buy that sweatshirt. You can also change whether or not you want this offer to combine with other discounts. For this tutorial, I'm just going to leave it how it is. And then now that we have our offer set up, all I'm going to do is click Save and Publish. Now that the offer is saved and it is active, we need to show our customers this special offer in the cart. So to do that, we are going to go to Upsell Flows. Then we're going to click Create Upsell Now. You've got two template options. You can either do the cart slider or you can do a cart pop-up. I personally like the cart slider, so I'm going to select this one. Then you've got two more templates. You can either do the horizontal or the vertical, but I personally like the horizontal. Now let's give our upsell a name. So I'm going to do the same thing, just buy sweatshirt, get 20% off t-shirt, and click Save. Okay, so the condition is what we're going to set up to tell Shopify when they add this sweatshirt to their cart, offer them this. So we're going to change it to cart items contains any of the Mama Bear sweatshirt. Then we're going to scroll down, and this is what they get. So we're going to click Browse and select the 3 t-shirts we want to offer them. Here's the template that we're using. And then this is just a quick headline. I'm going to say, grab a t-shirt now and receive 20% off. Let's just do one last check. Everything is good to go. And we are going to click Save. We're going to go back. Make sure our offer is active. And then let's go back to our store now to make sure that this worked. So if I go to the website and I scroll down and I add this Mama Bear t-shirt to my cart. You will now see that with the UpEZ app, there are these different cross-sells for the t-shirts. So now all 3 t-shirts are available and my customers can quickly just add another t-shirt to their cart. And you'll also notice that UpEZ makes it super easy and just automatically applies the discount there. So you can see how the customer went from only spending $36.99 to now they're spending $56.99. And just like that, you simply increased your average order value for your cart.
If you want to learn more about Shopify, different apps to use, Klaviyo, email marketing, or just business things in general, then consider subscribing to my channel. And if you already subscribed, then you know the drill. I will see you in the next video.